house.
Okay.
You want to chair?
No, it's on the steps.
I won't suggest you sit on the stairs because if your frackers will get dirty, that's a number one. You can use the background, that's number two.
Okay.
And the squirrel leave some kind of
Okay.
thing, yes, I don't know how it does. I don't know if this is for the right angle. You'll have to move, you have to come and check your angle.
Yeah, I can see it, but just move the nut.
This way?
No, this way.
Keep it like this.
Or turn it this way. Okay, there you go. Shit.
You get?
No, I'm just gonna. Yeah. All right. Okay. Hi, Mary. But Mary, you look goody. Long time I didn't see you. What, Trevor? You look nice too. But I never see you. Where you come from now? Hattie, man. Jesus. This bright girl coming on my driveway for. Hey, girl, come out on my driveway. Take your car on my driveway. This little dry girl. You shouldn't tell you about yourself, you know. So wait, your parent? What you do? Because I'm just driving on my driveway, so me invite you. But no, say me not invite you. Little girl, please to go. I take your little friend with you. Where you come in a driveway. Sure. My Lord, Jesus is mine.